Welcome to Words of Wisdom. In today's video, we're diving into the future, 2024 to be exact, to equip you with the 5 indispensable skills you need to master. Whether you're seeking personal growth, professional success, or simply want to stay ahead of the curve, these skills are your key to unlocking a brighter, more empowered tomorrow. Let's embark on this journey together and ensure you're not just keeping up, but thriving in 2024. 1. Connecting with other men. In the intricate web of life, the ability to forge meaningful connections with fellow human beings stands out as an invaluable skill. While some may prefer the solitude of a lone wolf, it's essential to recognize that true opportunities often stem from interpersonal relationships. However, this doesn't imply clinging to a social circle that holds one back. If your current companions hinder your growth, it's perfectly acceptable to venture on your own path. The key lies in knowing how to convert moments of loneliness into periods of productive solitude. Understanding the dynamics of male camaraderie becomes crucial. Networking isn't solely about meeting high-value individuals for personal gain. Instead, it's a reciprocal process where genuine connections are established by offering meaningful assistance to others. A wise adage encapsulates this philosophy. If you help enough people get what they want, you will inevitably get what you want. It's about fostering an environment where mutual support and collaboration thrive. 2. Financial literacy and money-making skills. In the complex landscape of self-development, financial literacy emerges as a cornerstone often overlooked. The majority of individuals navigating the modern world find themselves grappling with the multifaceted intricacies of managing money effectively. Acknowledging financial literacy as a collective challenge is the first step towards mastering the art of money management. The analogy drawn between pursuing financial success and attracting romantic partners underscores the need for a nuanced approach. Just as desperately chasing love can repel potential partners, a frantic pursuit of wealth may prove counterproductive. Instead, one must learn the art of attracting prosperity by understanding its principles, fostering a healthy relationship with money, and making informed investment decisions. In essence, financial literacy goes beyond the mere accumulation of wealth. It entails comprehending the systems governing financial realms. Skills encompass the adept management of debts, the creation of sustainable cash flows, and the ability to make judicious investment choices. The analogy holds. Attracting financial prosperity mirrors attracting romantic interest. It requires a certain finesse and understanding. While this video provides a foundational insight, upcoming content promises a more in-depth exploration of wealth generation strategies. Stay tuned by subscribing to ensure you don't miss these valuable insights. 3. Self-defense, physical prowess, and mental fortitude. Self-defense encompasses more than just physical strength. While physical training is essential, mental fortitude is equally crucial. Being a protector requires not only the ability to throw a punch, but also the mental strength to shield yourself from negative influences. This includes resisting propaganda and societal brainwashing. Situational awareness. Self-defense extends to being aware of your surroundings. Knowing how to read a room and anticipate events before they unfold is part of self-defense. This heightened awareness prevents you from being caught off guard and enhances your overall ability to navigate different situations. Intellectual self-defense. Self-defense goes beyond physical and mental aspects. It also includes intellectual self-defense. This involves effectively conveying your thoughts, dispelling misconceptions, and navigating or diffusing conflicts through strategic thinking and emotional intelligence. It's about being adept at defending your ideas and beliefs in a constructive manner. 4. Assertive communication. The assertive communicator versus other styles. Assertive communication stands out among different communication styles. Unlike passive communicators who appear shy and avoid confrontation, aggressive communicators may achieve short-term goals but risk long-term disliking. Passive-aggressive communicators use humor to mask aggression, but face eventual failure. Assertive communicators express thoughts clearly, standing up for themselves while respecting others' beliefs, fostering genuine connections, honesty, and openness. Being assertive requires honesty with oneself. An assertive communicator is comfortable changing their mind, asking for help, apologizing for mistakes, or taking responsibility. This openness contributes to creating authentic connections and demonstrates a willingness to engage in meaningful dialogue. Benefits in leadership and relationships. Assertive communication is a valuable skill, not only in personal relationships, but also in leadership roles. It promotes transparency, collaboration, and effective problem-solving. In interactions with others, it allows for compromises when necessary, creating an environment conducive to mutual understanding. 5. Discipline, the key to unlocking true freedom. In the realm of essential skills for every man, discipline stands out as the linchpin that not only upholds personal growth, but serves as the gateway to acquiring and mastering other vital capabilities. This isn't just about adhering to a set of rules. It's a profound approach to life that reshapes your actions, mindset, and ultimately your destiny. Understanding the essence of discipline. Discipline goes beyond the conventional notion of restraint or control. It embodies a conscious choice to adhere to a particular code of conduct driven by intention, purpose, and unwavering self-control. It's not a constraint, rather it is the cornerstone of true freedom. True liberation, in this context, doesn't manifest through unbridled indulgence, but through the disciplined pursuit of one's aspirations and values. Discipline as the driving force for achievement. Consider discipline as the driving force that propels you toward tangible accomplishments. Whether it's repairing a car, achieving financial freedom, or excelling in relationships, discipline is the force that sustains the journey. Without discipline, endeavors lack direction and purpose, diminishing the likelihood of realizing meaningful success. The relationship between discipline and freedom. Contrary to the misconception that freedom lies in letting go and succumbing to immediate desires, true liberation is rooted in discipline. It empowers individuals to resist the allure of instant gratification and instead embrace a path guided by intention, resilience, and long-term self-control. Discipline's role in overcoming immediate gratification. In a world where impulsive behaviors often masquerade as expressions of freedom, discipline becomes the antidote to the pitfalls of instant gratification. It equips individuals with the strength to resist the allure of momentary pleasures, fostering the resilience needed to pursue profound achievements. Cultivating discipline for personal transformation. Recognizing discipline as a catalyst for personal transformation, individuals can break free from the confines of fleeting desires. It enables them to pursue a life aligned with their deepest aspirations and values. Discipline, rather than restricting freedom, becomes the means to unlock a more profound and authentic expression of oneself. In essence, discipline is not a limitation, but a liberation. A pathway to a life guided by purpose, resilience, and the pursuit of enduring success. It's the indispensable skill that underpins all others, offering the freedom to shape one's destiny consciously,